Hi there, welcome to today's presentation on knowledge retention. EDSI, which utilizes Skilldex, its proprietary software, has a unique process that's going to interest you because we're going to identify ways for you to keep the knowledge of your skilled workers within your doors and look at ways to backfill the knowledge that's going to leave as baby boomers start to exit your workforce. EDSI was founded in 1979 and it's headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan. The company continues to grow with more than 400 people in 8 states and Washington, D.C. For more information about EDSI, visit www.edsisolutions.com. Several questions face today's employers, and oftentimes those questions don't have direct answers. What EDSI would like to show you today is a way to address these overwhelming workforce exit issues that may be facing your company. Solutions provided by EDSI will help to reduce the amount of time for training and maximize the effort that your training dollars are getting you. Several statistics have been generated by different resources to provide evidence that this isn't unique to you. This epidemic is facing most employers as they look at all of the baby boomers who are leaving, all of the unique knowledge that they have of your organization that's also leaving with them, and then the problem of trying to backfill, cross-train, and ensure that your company continues to produce and operate at the levels you expect. Skilldex is a unique proprietary system that's developed by EDSI that really looks at providing matches between employers, job seekers, jobs, employees, and really trying to get everyone speaking the same language within an organization. Trying to help organizations reach their full potential by matching responsibilities and tasks of your workforce and of your machinery or different work processes. What's unique about Skilldex for you? Well, Skilldex can provide a lot of different resources. If it's knowledge loss risk assessments, identification of training priorities, customized curriculum, measurement of skill attainment and growth, job competency, and development of career pathways. All of this summed up, Skilldex provides training outlines, shows you where that training needs to be developed, and then validates the efforts around the training. EDSI has a process that we think is going to work for you. This process is customized to you, customized to your organization, and this process is quick and effective. It goes from job task analysis to surveys to reviewing some data and then really using that data, allowing us to be strategic in guiding you to effective solutions. Here's some screenshots of what some of these different processes look like. Job task analysis profiles try to break down jobs into language that means something for both the employee and that job position. Instead of focusing on job titles, we're really trying to look at keywords, responsibilities, and tasks that allow us both to speak the same language. Easy to collect surveys allow us to track where individuals are from a skill set perspective. This data then allows us to create individual reports. These individual reports compare the skills of your employees to your required skill levels, identifying gaps or areas where someone is competent. The size of the gap helps to educate us on how much training may be needed to close the gap. Cheers to the aha moment with keeping knowledge in your doors. To do this, we create a company-wide skills balance sheet, looking at all of your employees either in a work team, a group, or across your entire organization. Then comparing these employee skill sets across similar tasks, we're able to see where you have coverage and where you have gaps. Looking at this chart, it's very easy visually to see where there are training needs and where training doesn't need to be invested, allowing you to be more strategic with how you're using those limited training dollars. These reports also help us validate training efforts. As training is implemented, we can track to make sure that that red turns to green. These reports also become your key to managing your human capital and managing the skill sets of the employees that you have. What doesn't look like a big problem in year 1 becomes a problem in year 2 as your baby boomers start to leave your organization. Year 3 and year 4 bring more red as more and more individuals take those unique skill sets and that unique knowledge that they have of your facility with them outside the door. Eventually we get to year 5 and the problem is overwhelming. Instead of trying to address this problem in year 5, EDSI would like to show you a process and bring you a solution that allows you to be strategic in year one, therefore eliminating the work exit that's going to cripple your organization. Let's get to work. We want to help you out. EDSI has used this process for many employers and is really hopeful to use this process for you too. If you have any questions and ready to get started and learn some more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to Kevin Watson. His cell phone number is 517-402-2732, or simply email him at kwatson@edsisolutions.com. We really appreciate you taking the time, learning a little bit more about SkilledX and some of the unique solutions that we can provide you.